Hi guys, welcome to Exam Pad. In today's class, we are going to solve this problem and we are going to find the answer for A and B. Okay, so first take the question. Question is A plus B root 3 is equal to 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. So this is what the question. So now I'm going to take conjugate on both sides. Therefore, I'm going to multiple 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 on numerator as well as in denominator. So now a plus b root 3 which is equal to a term repeating twice in multiplication. Therefore this becomes 2 plus root 3 the whole square divided by what we have in denominator 2 minus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 3. Is it? So now this is in the form of, in numerator is in the form of a plus b the whole square, which is equal to formula was a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now if you see the denominator, this is in the form of a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which is equal to what? A square minus b square. So just apply these two formula in above equation. Therefore this becomes a plus b root 3 is equal to 4. Here a is 2 and b is root 3. A square is 2 square plus b square is root 3 the whole square plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. Okay. So divided by, here a square is 2 square minus b square is root 3 the whole square. Okay. So now simplify this. Therefore, a plus b root 3 is equal to 2 square is 4 plus the square root and the square get cancelled. Thereby I get 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus root and square get cancelled. I get 3 in the denominator. Okay. Therefore, a plus b root 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 root 3. 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. So just leave as it is. Just compare these two. Thereby I get a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 4. Okay. So this is the answer for this question. So practice twice and twice. You will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.